My name is Albert Gruby. We have a 1963 Corvair Monza Spider. It's got a 145 cubic inch, turbocharged, single draft carburetor. I found this car, electrician buddy of mine found it in a barn, disassembled, and I like Corvairs. I own 3 of them. And my first car to own was the Corvair. My dad bought it for me. Ever since then, I kind of like the car. It's kind of a cult car, what everybody says. Ralph Nader kind of made the car kind of famous. Wrote a book about it and was unsafe at any speed. One of the first production cars to come with a turbocharger. I believe it was the Buick Rocket that beat it in production by about 2 months with the factory turbocharger.
All right, let's go back here to the engine compartment. You can tell me about it.
This is a 145 cubic inch. It's 150 horsepower. It says 180. It's just got the wrong sticker on the air cleaner. It's a single side draft with a turbocharger. I've updated it a little bit. I have an oxygen sensor and a NOx sensor just to try to keep the engine from falling apart. Besides that, still got the original generator on it. And got a little turbo cooler for the oil up underneath the fender well.
To cool the oil down, right?
Yes, sir, before it gets to the turbocharger.
All right.
But besides that, it's pretty much all original. This is the heater for the car, which is a gas-fired turbine type heater. Brings in the air intake from here to burn the gas, goes through the little small exhaust pipe, comes out midway up underneath the car, brings the air from the cowl of the cowl of the front and forces it in, blows it out in the car.
All right, well, I appreciate you sharing your car with me.
Thank you, sir.